5 tips for making a hot laptop cooler. Laptops naturally run heat due to their form and measurement. Nevertheless, in the event that they keep scorching for extended durations, they'll overheat, decelerate, or grow to be completely broken. Whether or not you are experiencing the warning signs and dangers of an overheated laptop, it is best to comply with these easy and cheap precautions to maintain your laptop cool and in working situation. Conserving your laptop computer cool. We have discovered the next steps can deliver down the inner temperature of an outdated and dangerously hot laptop from 181 degrees Fahrenheit, 83 degrees Celsius, to 106 degrees Fahrenheit, 41 degrees Celsius, a distinction of 41% after 1 hour of utilizing the energetic laptop computer cooling pad and bringing the room temperature right down to 68 levels. Past these approaches, look ahead to in-the-moment issues that are not indicative of an environmental subject, however, which nonetheless can adversely have an effect on your laptop computer. Maybe probably the most vital contributor to non-permanent overheating is placing the PC in your lap, cushioned by insulators like blankets that each lure warmth and block followers. Energy settings. Change your laptop computer's energy settings from excessive efficiency to a balanced or energy saver plan. This tweak will inform the system solely to make use of the facility required to run your purposes somewhat than at all times utilizing the utmost processor velocity. If that you must play video games or different intensive work, you may swap again to the high performance plan as required. Compressed air. Use mud remover spray to scrub the laptop computer's vents. Mud accumulates within the laptop computer's fan vents, an issue shortly solved with a can of compressed air, often lower than $10. Flip off your laptop and spray the vent to take away the mud. Laptop computer cooling pad. Use a laptop cooling pad that has followers. Laptop computer pads have vents that may improve the airflow around your laptop computer, however, a fan is one of the best ways to go for extra substantial cooling once. The Belkin F5L055 might be discovered for lower than $30 and is a dependable resolution, however, many different choices can be found. Room temperature. Hold your working atmosphere or laptop room as comfortably cool as potential. Computer systems, like most individuals, work significantly better in air-conditioned environments. Based on server fault, most server rooms or knowledge facilities function at 70 levels Fahrenheit or much less, and that looks like a really perfect temperature suggestion for residents' places of work as nicely. Energy down. Shut down your laptop when it isn't in use, particularly if you find yourself not at residence. The very last thing you want whenever you get house is to search out your laptop computer is a fireplace hazard, one of many risks of overheating laptops.